Good morning students, how are you? Today's our topic is two different credit situation. Two different credit situation. A large number of transactions in our day-to-day activities involve credit in some form or the other. Credit means loan refers to an agreement in which the lender supplies the borrower with money. He gives the money borrower to the borrower, money lender. Clear? Goods or services in return for the promise of future payment. He will return in the future. Clear? Let us see how credit works through the following two examples. There are the two examples. First is festival season. Second is Swapna's problem. In the festival season, Slim has received an order from a large trader in town for 3,000 pairs of shoes to be delivered in a month time. He got a month. To complete production on time, Slim has to hire a few more workers for stitching and pasting work. He has to purchase the raw material also, so that's why to meet these expenses, Slim obtains loans from two sources. First, he asks the leather supplier who gave the order and promises to pay him later. Second, he obtains loan in cash. He obtains loan in cash from the large trader as advance payment for 1,000 pairs of shoes. When the person gave the order 3,000 pairs of the shoes, he gave the advance payment of 1,000 pairs of the shoes with the promise to deliver the whole order by the end of the month. At the end of the month, Slim is able to deliver the order and make a good profit. Now he make a good profit and repay the money that he had borrowed. He returned the money that he had borrowed. In short, we can say in this case, Slim obtains credit to meet the working capital needs of production. The credit helps him to meet the ongoing expenses of production, complete production on time, and thereby increase his earnings. Credit therefore plays a vital and positive role. Credit plays a positive role in this situation. Clear? Swapna's problem. In the Swapna problem, Swapna was a small farmer. He wanted to grow the groundnut on his 3 acres of land. She takes a loan from the moneylender to meet the expenses of cultivation, hoping that her harvest would help repay the loan. Midway through the season, the crop is hit by the pests and crop was destroyed. Clear? The crop was destroyed. Then Swapna sprays her crops with expensive pesticides. It makes little differences, but he was unable to repay the money lender. Clear? He was not able to repay the money. So the debt grows over the year into a large amount. It was growing day by day. So that's why next year Swapna takes a fresh loan. Again he took the loan, and for the cultivation it is a normal crop this year, but the earnings are not enough to cover the old loan and fresh loan. Clear? She is caught in debt. Now she was not able to return the loan. She has to sell a part of land to pay off debt. After that, in Swapna's case, credit plays a positive role. Here credit plays a negative role. Clear? In Swapna's case, failure of the crop made a loan repayment impossible. She had to sell part of the land to repay the loan. Credit, instead of helping Swapna improve her earning, left her worse off. This is an example of what is commonly called debt trap. He was not able to return the money to the money lender. Clear? Credit in this case pushes the borrower into a situation from which recovery is very painful. Clear? In one situation, credit helps to increase earning, and therefore in the one situation, in the case of festival season, Celine's, he got a good profit. Clear? Here in the Swapna's case, Swapna's condition was very painful. He was debt trap. She was in a debt trap. So that's why because of the crop failure, credit pushes this person into a debt trap. I told you, to repay her loan, she has to sell a portion of her land. She is clearly much worse off than before. Understood? Next is terms of credit. Terms of credit. Every loan agreement specifies an interest rate which the borrower must pay to lender along with the repayment of the principal. He or she has to return the money with the interest. Clear? Including interest. In addition, lenders may demand collateral security against loans. Collateral is an asset that the borrower owns, such as land, building, vehicle, livestock. He can give the collateral, livestock, vehicle, deposits with the bank, and uses this as a guarantee to a lender until the loan is repaid. If the borrower fails to repay the loan, the lender has the right to sell the assessed or collateral to obtain payment. He has the authority to sell these which he has gave the borrower, which he submitted to the borrower. Clear? Property such as land, titles, deposits with banks, livestock are some common examples of collateral used for borrowing. When he borrows some money, he give that person his building, vehicle, livestock, etc. Clear? If he is unable to return his money, then he can sell those items. Next is a house loan. Meghna has taken a loan of rupees 5 lakh from the bank to purchase a house. The annual interest rate on the loan is 12%, and the loan is to be repaid in 10 years. Time is 10 years. Clear? And the interest is 12%. In monthly installments, Meghna had to submit to the bank documents showing her employment records. He shows his proofs, we can say documents for her employment records and salary before the bank agreed to give her loan. Then bank agreed to give her the loan. The bank retained as collateral the papers of the new house, which will be returned to Meghna only when she repays the entire loan with interest. If she will not return, then the bank can sell his home. Understood? This was the topic. Thanks. Have a nice day.